This is your daily awakening for today. If you're starting over, do it for real this time. Not out of fear, but out of purpose. Here's what no one tells you about starting over. You don't start over by pretending the past didn't happen. You start over by finally learning from it. You start over by breaking the patterns that broke you, by choosing peace instead of chaos, discipline instead of excuses, and purpose instead of pain. Starting over isn't about becoming someone new. It's about returning to who you were before your life made you doubt yourself. If you're rebuilding right now, hear me. The moment you decide you deserve better is the moment your new life actually begins. And if today is the day you're starting over, do it for real with intention, not desperation. If this spoke to you, hit subscribe and the notification bell and come back tomorrow. We're rebuilding together. This is Val Kiamco and welcome to the Empowered Life.